Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to remove a comment from your comment history in TikTok. If you've ever left a comment that you no longer want visible or simply want to manage your comment history, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, tap on Activity Center. This section allows you to manage your TikTok activity. Step 6. Scroll down and tap on Comment History. This will bring up your comment history settings. Step 7. To remove a comment, tap and hold on the specific comment you want to delete. Step 8. While still holding the comment, a menu will appear. Tap on Delete to remove the comment from your comment history. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more curated comment history in TikTok.